The Lifeline meter application main screen is a virtual replication of the instrument's faceplate. The elements of the main screen include the chemical name. This is typically the chemical abbreviation of the monitored substance. In the case of radiation shown here, this is the indication of what is being detected. In this case, it is dose rate. Concentration. This is the amount of the substance being monitored. Unit of measure. This field represents the units the concentration is being measured in. For the identifier being shown here, the units are in micrograms per hour, but for other meters this unit can vary considerably. Where appropriate and/or necessary, an additional information window may be added. In the case of this identifier, it is the information on the identified isotope. The CAP message status field allows quick setting of alert status for CAP messages. This status will be transmitted to all configured alerting services. Possible values are actual, exercise, system, test, or draft. Actual is an alert condition actionable by all targeted recipients. Exercise is a condition actionable only by designated exercise participants. This mode also can be used as a training simulator. System indicates the default value during normal operation. Test is for testing only and should be disregarded by all testing alert recipients. Draft is a future condition not currently supported. The link battery status is a pictorial view of the state of the link battery, indicated as either OK or low. Text indicating the current battery status is also provided. The GPS state is indicated by either a GPS OK or GPS off message. The status bar is text indicating the different tasks the application is currently performing. The total number of samples indicates the total samples taken from the meter since the start of the connection. If the connection with the link is disconnected, then reconnected, this number will get reset. The total time sampling indicates the total amount of time the application has been acquiring samples. The signal strength indicates the current signal between the link and the wireless network it is connected to, which is typically the Lifeline gateway or mesh network. The communications processing indicator is a system heartbeat that indicates three states: gray, that the application is idle; green, the application is processing data from the meter; or red, that the wireless link is disconnected and data is not processing. The connection indication is a communications globe that has three states: connected, wherein a wireless connection is established with the meter; broken, which includes the addition of a question mark indicating the wireless link with the meter is broken and the application is attempting to reestablish a connection; disconnected, which includes the addition of an X indicating the network connection is disconnected. The total sampling time indicates how long active samples have been accumulated. The user identification field is where a user's name and/or ID can be added. The incident identification field is a field where the incident name and/or ID can be added. Should the meter exceed a threshold condition, alarms can be generated. For chemical-related alarms, Lifeline will display a red concentration window along with an audible siren. For radiation, a yellow warning window will be shown, followed by a red alarm at higher detection levels.